Umsning MLA Dr. C. Lingdo inaugurated the Gracia Futsal turf at Mayrland Resort, Bhoi district today. The new futsal ground aims to engage local youth and promote health and fitness. In his address, Dr. C. Lingdo expressed his satisfaction with the project, highlighting that the futsal ground would benefit the community by promoting youth engagement and enhancing the health and fitness of local residents. The event was attended by Father Peter Aimle, Father Michael Kongan, Thomas Roy Malay, owner of Maryland Resort, and other local elders.
Ingin ya be ban ya kamai, ingin ya be ban pernah kajingkek kajongi, but kani kabala pli mentah kesengi, kan long kajingkerku ya kikun samla kajongi, mereka tangki samla, wat ingi kebala rumba kibadon ke interest ngilak ban pelut por, mo.